Time flies.
And crawls.
But it never stops.
Time's your most precious resource.
Because once it's gone,
It's gone for good.
every day, you take time into your own hands. Time for machine maintenance. You do it.
Time for ordering parts. You do that too.
There aren't enough hours in the day to make a dent in your to-do list. There's simply not enough of you to go around.
What if you could have more time for the most important moments of your life? More time for family.
More time for adventure.
More time for downtime.
You need a partner who can share the load. A partner who will work just as hard as you. Someone with heavy equipment know-how, technical expertise, guaranteed workmanship you can count on. A partner like your local cat dealer.
Who knows exactly how to help minimize downtime in the field.
So you can enjoy more downtime at home.